Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Macon County in west central Georgia, northwestern Pulaski County in central Georgia, Dooley County in central Georgia, southeastern Peach County in central Georgia, Houston County in central Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pinehurst, or near Vienna, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cary, Hawkinsville, Vienna, Unadilla, Byronville, Pinehurst, Lilly, St. Louis, Hayneville, Brownell, Mattodale, Sandbed, Houston Lake, Grovania, Mock Springs, Elko, Grove Park, Moss Oak, Henderson, and Kathleen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.